Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you guys can easily secure your WordPress website with easy steps. By default, the WordPress website admin login is WP admin. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you guys can easily hide your default WP admin page so the attackers and hackers will not reach to your website. Maybe your website is e-commerce and store the customer card data, and you want to make sure your website is pretty much secure and safe so every customer can securely payment to your services. Before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon button so you guys can easily get the notification of my upcoming videos. After logging on your website admin panel, hover on plugins, then click add new, then search for the first plugin, WordFence. WordFence is free security malware detector plugin. It will prevent brute force attack. Here is our WordFence plugin. It has 4+ million active installation with 3,800 reviews. Just click install now. Then again search for the plugin WP hide. Here is our plugin WPS hide login. It will hide your WP admin page. By default, every WordPress website has the admin URL wp-admin. Just click install now. Then go to the install plugins. Then select this installed plugin. Then select to the bulk action to activate. Then click apply. It will activate both the plugins in bulk. After activating the plugin, this pop-up of WordFence plugin will comes up. Just click install an existing license or click to get your WordFence license. Then go with the get a free license. Then click I'm okay, waiting 30 days for production from new threads. Just click this option. Then enter your working email address, whatever the email address you have, you just need to enter it. Let's try. Then click to I have read and agree to the WordFence license. Click register. Then go to your email address and copy the license key. Once you enter the email address, you will receive an email from WordFence. Install your WordFence license. There are two steps: install my license automatically, or you can just enter this key into your website manually. Just click to the install my license automatically. Then you will redirect to this page. Then just click to the install license. Now our free license install. Then click go to dashboard. Then here is option of this is your dashboard. Just close it. Let's go to this option. Click here to configure. Then make sure you have downloaded these two files on a safe place. Then click continue. Then click close. Now our web application firewall and other security risk has been installed successfully. Here is the brute force protection is 100%. Now our security plugin has been configured successfully. Our website is now secure. Let's set up the second plugin as well. Go to the settings, then click WPS hide plugin. WPS hide login will hide your WP admin default login page. Like this, the default admin login page for the WordPress is WP admin. Whenever WordPress you install newly WordPress, it is default login WP-admin, like real estate slash WP-admin. So most of the attacker will know that the user of that website is using the WP admin. Now you can see when I enter the WP admin, it's saying that this page does not seem to be exit because we have already installed the plugin and the new URL is replaced with login. Let's try the login. Then it will work perfectly. You can enter whatever the tags or whatever the unique words you can enter it, and you can easily save your website from the hackers. These are the two steps. First we install the WordFence security plugin, then we hide the WP default WP admin, then we change the WP-admin text with our unique text. If you want to make your website more secure, then make sure you change the name of admin. Don't go with the default admin name like admin123 or password is simple 123456. Try 12 character long password with uppercase, lowercase numbers and special characters in it in password, and the username must be long or the unique one. Now we have successfully secured our WordPress website. I'm pretty sure that you guys must learn something from this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends. Before going, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell icon button so you guys can easily get the notification of my upcoming videos.